What's up, guys? Today we have an iPhone 13 Pro Max that has a boot loop recovery mode. So the phone was dropped pretty bad, and the screen was replaced. After replacing the screen, the phone went into boot loop, and then later went into recovery mode when trying to restore. So definitely something wrong with the board. Physical damage. Looks like it was. It's pretty straight, but it looks like it was dropped and broken. So this way. Let me see this. Yeah, the phone isn't. So it's not. Let me see. Yeah, it's still pretty straight. It's not. Yeah, it's not bent or anything. So probably dropped, but strange though. This part it seems like it dent in. This is where I think the damage is at, and it starts spreading in this area. So okay, so let's plug in the charging cable and see what we get. Let's take a look and let's plug it in. So it's in recovery mode, so it doesn't show anything. It's not even a charge as well. So pretty stuck there. I think let's open the phone and see what's inside first. So the screen was replaced, but I think they didn't put in correctly, or maybe this side was pushing. They couldn't get the screen down. So this phone is from another shop that sent it to us. When they did the screen replacement, it went into this. Recovery mode. It's pretty bad damage. Okay, let's remove this screen and yeah, this seems a little bit bent in. That's why they could put the screen down all the way down. It's kind of pushed in right here. The frame is not damaged, but it's kind of everything's, yeah. As you can see right here on the side, it's kind of there's something wrong here. Press all the way in. Let's take out the battery as well. So okay, so they removed the battery. Oh yeah, this part is pushing in. Huh? So we just go like this, laminate somewhere. Ooh. Okay. It's not gonna be a fun repair. Okay, let's put the back of the screen and see where get this. See what happened to it. Okay. So take this out. Let's go to let's go 3U2. So let's try to exit recovery and see we're getting the same issue. It's likely. Yep. Let's go flash and see what's wrong. Maybe we can get so. Okay, wait till it download. Okay, start flash. Switch this view. See what happened. Oop. Oh, man. So updating NAND firmware, 22%. Okay, I think we know what's going on. Missing the format device erase require fail to restore. Okay. So something wrong with the NAND. Okay. I think the NAND is right here. I know, maybe on the other side. Let's go back. Let's open schematic. So let's check to see if there's a short on the memory. So there's something wrong with the memory. So it's not receiving. So it's not short. No, it's not short either. No, it's not short either. It's not short. Let's check over here. So it's not short either. Okay. Let's check this one. What? I dropped this yesterday. Now it's all messed up. Darn it. .9. So it's good. So the memory is not short. Okay. Oh, this one's short. Oh, no. Shoot, touching this, that's why. Darn it. This one's not short. So it's not short. Okay, so we know it's not short. Let's do a full restore. Let's do a quick flash full restore. 19%. Update NAND firmware. Okay, we passed the point. Create partition map. Went through. Send baseband. 52%. It's gone through. It should go through. So the memory is fine. If the memory is bad, it will not reach, it only reach you 20% or something, 22% or something. So if memory is fine. Okay, so went through, request EAN data. So we're almost done. Checkpoint started. Unmount file system. I think we're okay. Okay. So after 60% something, I think you're good. All right. So it went through. All right. So it's a software corruption. I guess you dropped it. It could corrupt the software. All right. Let's go see device and see if we can activate this. Okay. Panic. Spreadsheet. Sensor array. Sensor array. Miscellaneous box one not ready. So some sensor was failing. Not sure what is it. Let me see the code. CU panic. Okay, this is the code right here that we need to check. Oh, you guys can't see it. Okay. All right. Let's try to activate this. All right. Touch still work. We have baseband. Phone is charging normally. Let's see. Put it in the charger. So it's charging 1.3, 1.5 amps, which is good. All right. So we fixed the issue. So this one was dropped, and and they replaced the screen. After they replaced the screen, it went to a boot loop recovery mode. So from what we're seeing is the software was corrupted from the drop. I don't know. That's why. Yeah. So before this is sometimes it doesn't work like this. Maybe the memory got shorted, but in this case, it's just the software got corrupted, and that's it. Right. Thank you, guys. And we just fixed the software. All right. Thank you, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a pretty. Sometimes we get repair like this easy. So see you guys on the next video.